In today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to make this very beautiful luxurious baby turban cap from the scratch, step by step, and this is handmade, no machine required. So the materials needed for this cap is your tape, your scissors, gum, chalk for marking, hemming gum. Let's start. To do this, I'll be using a leftover fabric for this turban cap, and this is a baby cap. Alright, so we have actually made videos on how to make adult turban caps on this channel, but today we're going to be making a very luxurious baby handmade cap. Alright, so you can see me folding into two, and I'm folding with the head circumference of the baby. Please kindly go ahead and measure the head circumference of the baby, and this is how to measure the head circumference of anyone. Just put your tape around the head. Okay, so the head circumference I marked is plus my stitching allowance, and that was what I marked. And then I'll go ahead to mark, because it's a baby, I'm going to be working with 8 inches. You can even go as much as 9 inches. In fact, you can go 9 inches because I had to go by 9 inches again. Okay, so 9 inches would be the best. Okay, so instead of it to be shorter than necessary to be longer, it will be better than or bigger than necessary. So please use 9 inches. So you can see the way I cut it out, just in a peplum form. But this is half. This is 180. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm going to be using this half 180 circumference piece that I cut out. I'm going to be hemming the front part of this cap. Okay, just look at the way it's looking. Now to hem the front part, I'll be using this hemming gum, okay, to fold it. Just like I told you that I will not be needing any sewing machine for this. I'll just place this and bend it over a little by ½ inch, and then use my iron to iron it out. You'll be using a steam iron, okay, or you can even use whatever iron. Just make sure that you do it rightly. Okay, so it comes out well. So this is it. So you can see how it looks. Now this means that the front is already secured. Now insert your needle and your thread, and you're going to be forming gathers at the top area of this, just as shown. This is so simple, and it's totally handmade. Okay, it's what you can do it yourself. Just when you're seated on your sitting room, whatever you're doing, you can just sit down and exercise your hands with these turban caps for your babies, and it looks so lovely. You can even give it out as a baby gift during baby shower. This is a very comfortable accessory for your little one, and it's also a profitable item to add to your homemade business, to your business brand, whatever. Okay, and this is so simple to make. Just imagine, just with your needle and thread, and with the few items I listed here, this cap is ready. So you can see me forming the gathers. Okay, I formed the gathers till I reached the rear end of the other end. Okay, the other side, I reached the rear end of the other side. Okay, and this is me trying to double lock it. When you are done, you lock it very well. Okay, but that's not the end. All right, that's not the end. But once you get to this stage, you know that you're making a whole lot of progress. So I'll be locking this. I'll be locking it, double stitching it so that it doesn't loosen when the baby wears it. Okay, now when I'm done locking this part up, okay, I'm also going to stitch a bit of the front. Just let me show you, just as seen, just as shown here. You can see that I'm trying to lock a bit of the front. Okay, it's very simple to make. While I'm at this, if you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe now and turn on your notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So look at the process stage. Okay, so we have gathered it up. Okay, and now we're going to be adding this particular flower, okay, to the front. You mustn't even add an already made flower. You can also create one for yourself. In fact, in the next video, we're going to be checking out doing a lot of flower designs. Okay, so you must not rely on buying an external flower. You can make one yourself. Okay, so I just used the gum, and then I rubbed a bit on the side that I stitched together and I rubbed on the flower itself, and then I'll be placing it directly on that joint area so that that joint area is not longer visible. Okay, it's now covered by the flower. And just tell me, isn't this cap beautiful? Just tell me, isn't it beautiful? And it's so lovely for your loved ones, okay, for your little ones, for your children, as a gift, during any of your loved ones bridal shower. It's so beautiful, a cute gift, okay, especially if it's handmade. It is going to be rare, okay, but if it's easily bought, no, it's buyable. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos. Bye.